and just brainstorm, okay? While you're spending all the money on gambling, spraying and stuff. It's already 12%, alright, just the growth. 12%. I don't give a fuck.
Bitch, I'm a baby like Vamp, nigga only pop it at night. I come out up, walking down that goddamn street. Hit that boy with a nice sight. That bitch wanna be a nigga, I'm gon' pull the trigger. I'm telling your bitch I fight dykes. I fuck on the spinning bitch that love some Bryson Tiller. I swear they got that little whole shake. We hit the black 50s, I'm in with some double digits. Me and my partner, them better crack life. Pull it G30 and it kinda sticky. We shoot that boy cause we got right. He could turn the switch on the pistol, now they tricky. I'm dodging double bullets if they try to hit me. I bought a Motorola just to start my business. Smoking the training dojo, what karate kick. Do I want black or the Spanish beats? Do I want chicken or the Mexican? I be by myself, bitch, I'm in my friend. We smoke a top shelf, this shit not no hemp. Can't come run no Vamps, nigga, you a wimp. On the east side with 8 clan, they not no chimp. We take all them niggas, wish it like the grit. 2 hands on me, nigga, this the starter kit. When I was locked up, pour a nigga out by the GL. They pushing the button, tryna seek help. Put a Gen 5 at the Goya belt. We ain't stunning no nigga, probably all got dealt. It's 30D roll, just the wish and will. Rap him or throw him in the wish and will. With this shit in your ankle, nigga, been that tail. Just said 170 band for my bill. Treat him like can and go to hell. Baby, like did a band game, but we did well. Tosita, I slime a nigga by myself. Tosito, we caught a shot like we the real. Got 21 niggas in the street like jail. Need 100 but not me just so I can dress. Baby, like vampire shit, nigga, RG shit. Yeah, nigga, free on my brother that locked up right now. She said it wet in my packet, gon' bite down. Play with BLE, get tight down. Pull it that 50, start shooting, we don't do no stay down. Baby like shit, but don't be on no playground. They baby like shit, we gon' slide, we don't play around. Already like 3, now they tryna get K. We gon' get to the appointment, do not do no pronoun. This is the mall, this is not 3, let it can't come around. I'm in the town with my capo. Bitch, you gotta go, your Wacko. Got nowhere to go to find the tabernacle. I nut on the face, slurp it all like Snapple.
I'm staying on shots, nigga, I'm a capo. Shoot a nigga, turn his ass to a Wacko. Hit his ass, so he got left in the bando. Stepping on bridge, now they call me Blanco. Yeah, you know I'm moving like Paulo. Free the boy Guala and Hancho. Driving that far, I ain't doing no Cardinal. Slimes that side, I'm a fucking Diablo. Don't play with that gang, cause we giving out headshots. 7 to 2, yeah, they having them red dots. Bitch block up now, turn that a fed block. 30 on me like I'm living in O-Block. I swear these niggas be pussy. All of my niggas, they bang like Tuki. Try to rob me, but you know you a rookie. Hit his ass up, he got hit with a fully. Free the whole gang, cause my nigga go schizo. We still on the block and we pullin' no kick though. Find that case and we gettin' that shit closed. Having them bags and we gettin' that shit sold. I spin the block and I'm using that photo. Hit his ass up, now I'm rockin' the same clothes. 12 on the block and they taking them photos. I got a Glokk, so you know I'm not solo. Nah, you know how the fuck we rockin', nigga. Rich slime, nigga. Vant light, nigga. You know how the fuck we rockin', nigga. In this deal with Glokk40spaz, nigga. Baby life, nigga. Ayy. Rich slime. I'm striking on a nigga like Cobra. Laying on shit, man, I feel like a vulture. Hit his ass, son, now that boy on the post. Got a big ass Glock, I ain't doing no hosting. I got them shoes around me like I'm Sosa. Baby like with me, you know they gon' roll you. Nigga not right, so I gotta expose it. Strapping my hand, so I gotta stay focused. 2 Glocks on me, I'm ready for shootout. Spinning your block, now I'm hitting your crew house. Hit shit twice, now I'm making a move out. No, I'm rich line, this the RG van life.